You are looking for a hair transplant. Goal should be to get natural lasting results, minimal medications. The side effect profile of medicine should be the least. If you are looking for a hair transplant, I think your goal should be to get natural looking results which last long and keep looking good even with minimal medications. And the side effect profile of medicine should be the least. So you have to do thorough research, because you will find a lot of clinics around you, or maybe very fancied clinics, on internet. They will show you amazing results, beautiful results, might be better than what I'm doing, but when you do a little digging, you will find that in those results, sometimes up to 90% contribution can come from medicines, and medicines may or may not work similarly in every patient, and medicines can have different side effect profile in different people. So when you are more relying on the skill of surgeon, you get lasting results, as we got we saw in Dr. Ramanathan's case. And if your result is too heavily dependent upon medication, that is it is 90% medicine and 10% transplant, then it is bound to fall like a pack of cards. So that is it. So if you are interested in doing thorough research, I would recommend you to visit our website satyahairsolutions.com. Follow us on Instagram and YouTube. You will find all that information which usually remains hidden, and people try their level best that it doesn't come out in public domain also. But if you are still watching this, this is your lucky day. You have just hit the jackpot if you're watching this for the first time. And I wish you the best of hair transformational journey. Thank you.